it, guys. Let's go open it. This is here. Breakfast. Oh, so cute, okay. Wait. How many is this? 4, 8, 4, 9. That. Let's go. T-Rex. I need to put this in the toilet. Ito na nakuha na ako. Where's my display? 49. So, I think, ano ko. This is my, ano siya, tawag, skincare routine. Like my skin gonna be healthy. See? So I have some skincare routine and I'm gonna see you some one more last. Meron dito gesture, saka to. Ganito mo lang ito, oh. Tapos see to part 2.